My name is Brother Thiện Đức, and I'm from Germany originally, and now it's my 5th year as a monastic here in Plum Village. Here you see the wood workshop in which I'm working at the moment. Before becoming a monk, I was a mechanical engineer by training, and I always loved woodworking, but I never had the opportunity. When I was staying in Shanha, in the smaller part of the monastery, I started going to the workshop there sometimes and be able to work here, which I've actually never would have imagined that I would be a monk and doing woodwork. I'm working at on an altar table, on a Buddha altar table for the New Hamlet sisters, and it's the interesting part is bringing the work and the practice together, which is not always easy. I regularly hit my limits with that, and but I really have a passion for it because I love the freedom that I got here as well. Like as I said, I thought I would never do something like this. I thought becoming a monk means like you drop all worldly things and you just sit on a cushion. But I realized that the meditation hall is also here for me. It's really an art to work in peace, and it's a great chance to get in contact with my habit energies. And actually, I started with the first bigger project that I made was an altar for Thay before he actually passed away, and that was for the Lower Hamlet sisters. And after this project, there will be the follow-up to that, and that will be the altar table for Thay for the New Hamlet sisters. And to me, it was very special. Actually, I have to say, I felt like it might look beautiful in the end, but what Thay probably really wanted is like that there's 100% mindfulness in there. And I can, there's a work in progress on that. And I can see that my attitude towards the spirit, which I want to build it, is very much that. I want to have something that is embodying Thay's path and Thay's practice. And so I try to this time take much more my time, relax, and don't rush too much, and to really put all my heart and my practice into it, because I think that's what Thay would really want. He fancies maybe a table, but I think he really fancies the practice. So.